Hi everyone. In this video, I'll walk you through a critical update to my Magic Mask Reveal Transitions project. After the release of DaVinci Resolve 20.1, mask drawing in Magic Mask became unavailable. I fixed this issue and made a few improvements to make the transition smoother. I've also added motion blur to the blink transition and set the matte parameters to optimal defaults. Installation is as usual, just run the .drfx file. You'll find the transition under Effects, Toolbox, Video Transitions, PixFix, Magic Mask, DaVinci 20.1. Make sure your video is trimmed so a transition can be applied. Add Magic Mask in at the cut between two clips. At first, you'll see a black screen. In the Inspector panel, click Start Workflow to bring the image back. In the lower left corner of the viewer, enable Fusion Overlay. Using the mouse, draw a stroke over the object you want to isolate. To remove unwanted areas, switch to the Subtract tool or hold Ctrl for Windows or Command for Mac while drawing. Click Track Back and Forward and wait for the tracking to complete. Uncheck Show Mask. Under the Animation tab, find the Pivot control. Move it to the center of your mask. You can also drag it directly in the viewer. Right-click in the viewer, select Control, Template, Pivot, move the white cross. Make sure the cross is highlighted in white before dragging. Otherwise, you'll be back in draw mode. Layer animation settings are still under the Animation tab, same as before. Under the Animation tab, you'll find motion controls. Background zoom and foreground zoom control how the two clips move. Mask slide angle and mask slide distance animate the masked object. Zoom time controls the animation speed. Motion blur adds natural movement blur. Using Mask Blink as an example, I will show you the new mask selection tool. Disable Use Legacy Magic Mask. Mark your subject with points, hold Control for Windows or Command for Mac, and click on areas you want to exclude. This new mode works slower, and sometimes the results are not better than Legacy. In fact, occasionally worse. That's why Legacy mode is still the default, but you're free to experiment. Removing the old version. Go to the Fusion page, Effects, Templates, Edit, Transitions, PixFix, right-click the transition you want to remove, Show in Folder. Then simply delete its DRFX file. Thanks for watching, and I hope this update makes your workflow smoother and more enjoyable.